back to another video. It's your girl Khalil, period. I'm back with another video, and today, guys, I'm finna cook some breakfast. So right now, it's like a cook with me video, basically. It's like a cook with me video. And y'all, we finna cook some bacon and some potatoes, and then we're gonna have some fruit. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna have to use some ashy potatoes. So then you want to wash these things in your sink. Got these potatoes. Okay, so I'm cutting these up. I'll be back when it's time for me to season them.
A few moments later.
George, I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Put our bacon on after we toss it. Then we're gonna start our oil. So we're gonna put our bacon on the pan. I'll be back after we put our bacon on the pan and put our grease in the oil. Okay? So now I got my bacon on the pan. Got my potato seasoning. I got that on. So y'all, I hurt my finger while doing it. Y'all, that's painful. Don't hurt your nail. Do anything you can, try not to hurt your nail. Cause that, ooh, baby, that hurt. So we're gonna put it on 450. Oh, 425. Then we're gonna start. Go preheat our oven. So we're gonna find our, where is it? Okay, I'll be back. I'll take it like 10.
A few moments later.
So now we got our potatoes cooking and our oven preheated. So we're gonna put our bacon in there. And we're just gonna let these simmer and cook, and I'll be back for the finished product. This is the finished touch. You got your bacon, you got your potatoes. I'm gonna put me some cheese, and I'm gonna come back after I fix it all up. Okay. And this is the finished touch. This is the finished product of my potatoes, and I still got some left. Oh yeah.
Meanwhile.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notification every time I post. My social media will be down in the description below. Don't forget to go check that out. And I love you guys. Bye. See you next time.